G'day, how are you? My name's Edward Plant, and together with my wife, we're the founders and leaders of the Business League. We're a business community on the Gold Coast that are helping business owners throughout the Gold Coast connect, develop and grow. And we've got you registered for our breakfast on Wednesday the 1st of August. Really excited to get you to come along to this breakfast. It's one of our cornerstone flagship style events. So we normally have an amazing business owner come and present to us. Last month we had the general manager of Skins International fly in from Zurich. But this month we're going to roll up our sleeves and do actual networking, and specifically focusing in on strategic partnerships. So how can you create, nurture and develop really good strategic partners that will help you get access to more clients for your business, allow you to be more valuable, have more impact and get better results. It's going to be really good fun. Bring business cards. We're at Bond University. The doors open at 6:30 in the morning. We start off at 7 o'clock sharp and we'll be done by 9 o'clock. I'm going to grab you at the about halfway through the breakfast and just say g'day, make sure we've met and see how I can help you. Until then though, if you need anything, hit reply on the email that you got this video in, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Cheers.